Hey, what's up, you guys? Back for another one. We got a 2004 Nissan Titan 4x4. We're doing a 6'4" lift kit, 6 inches in the front, 4 in the rear. This is what we're working on right now, you guys. I'll go ahead and show you. It's on a lift right here. Like I said, 2004 Titan. Doing a rough country lift kit on it. My dad's actually the one that's doing it, not me. I'm doing other work. I gotta do a diag and alignment on this. I'm not gonna do an alignment. Got wore out parts. But anyways, show you what's going on with it, what we got with the kit, and then every now and then I'll come over here and record, show you what he's doing, and show you what you're supposed to do when you're installing this kit. Once again, I'm sorry for the noise, you guys. I do work in a shop, so we got fans like this one going on all the time. Here's a rough country kit for it. It comes with lifted. Here's the lift kit that comes with it. It comes with new struts. It comes with a new brace for the front. Differential setup on this thing. It comes with blocks for the rear to lift up the rear. It comes with new U-bolts and everything for it. All the linkage and everything's brand new. It comes with new shocks for the rear, and it comes with these big ass knuckles, what we call spindles. So my dad's doing right now is he's marking all the tires because homeboy got some new tires for it as well. So he's gonna mark those because it has tire sensors. He's got some nice open countries over there that will show you what they look like. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of a montage at the end to show you before and after on everything. But like I said, rear is probably what he's gonna start with first because it's the easiest thing to do. Like I said, it's just blocks in the rear. So you gotta uninstall everything here. You're gonna take out these U-bolts, put a pole jack up underneath the rear end, take the U-bolts out, replace all this with brand new stuff. The blocks are gonna go set up underneath the leaf spring. It'll lift the rear up, and then you put the new U-bolts in. I'll go ahead and show you what those blocks look like real quick. This is what the new block looks like. It's got an angle cut into it and designed into it to help with the pinion angle, and then here's the new U-bolts for that. That'll be what the rear sets on. As we do the front, I'll show you what the front's got going on with it, but I'll bring you back when he gets the rear done so you can see how the rear looks, and then hopefully I can start catching him doing the front, and I can show you how the front's done. But I'll be back, you guys. Nah, don't even worry about it. There's just brackets for everything. All right, guys, we're back. He went ahead and did the rear. It's more than just blocks like I thought it was. That's my fault. There are also brackets to help raise and lower some of the lines on this thing. You got a bracket for the rear right here for the brake lines, so to raise them up so they don't pinch up and bind up. And you got a bracket for the actual e-brake cable that lowers them down so that they don't bind up with suspension travel. And then the actual blocks. This is the guy right here. His name's Brandon. I know y'all know him from a previous video we did, but he's helping my dad do this lift kit real quick. Like I said, I'm doing other things. My dad's doing this one. I just figured I'd record it, and we do a little beauty shot at the end. But rear's all done. I think he's got to finish doing a couple things. He's putting extenders in for the shocks, I do believe. So he's gonna go ahead and take the old shocks out. We're gonna do the new shocks in with the extension pieces for the shocks. Yeah, guys, that's the rear so far, where it's at right now. All brand new shit. It's gotta be torqued down to spec. Once we get it laid down on the ground, drive it for a little bit, he'll bring it back to us, torque it back all down. But just figure I'd show you where we're at right now. Well, where they're at right now, not really me. There's the myth, the legend right there. All right. Hey, Brandon, fuck you.
Yeah, right.
Now we got the rear all done, we can kind of look to see, get a little sneak peek of how this is going to look. That is a big ass lift kit, and then some big ass tires. My dad's showing the hourly guy how to properly put tires on. Hey, you do realize that he's doing your job and showing you how to do it, right? He's gonna show you how a real man does it. You got a 49-year-old man showing you how to do this.
Seriously though, hey, I want you to try to do that. See how to stay with you.
All right, y'all. All right, you guys, like I said, the rear's done on it. They're gonna go ahead and start on the front now. All right, this is what they're doing on the front. They're gonna take everything apart to do it. So as soon as they get back done doing the front, like I said, I'm doing a job right now. I gotta replace the tires on this truck. This guy has some front end work done on his. his Toyota. It's like Toyota and BMW day to day for some reason. But rotated new tires we put on the front when we did the front suspension into the rear. Now I'm taking the rear tires that were in the rear and we'll be putting them on the front with brand new tires. So I want to go do these tires real quick. They're going to do this front end. I'll bring you in halfway when they're halfway done with it, because there's a few things that you got to do to the front of these in order to put the brackets on to lower down that front differential, which are those two brackets right there. And I'll show you that when the time comes. So it'll be a couple seconds for you, it'll be about an hour for me. All right, guys, I'll bring you right back. All right, you guys, so they got the entire steering part of everything tore down on it. So the stock knuckle, all that is completely off. Rotors, calipers, hub bearing, and the stock knuckles all took apart. Now he's going to take off the linkage for the roll bar. And then he's going to be taking off the strut, which is that right there. They got springs with this strut kit or no? No. Alright, well they don't have springs with this strut kit, so it's just a drop brace.
Yeah, pretty much.
With a knuckle. Yeah. And then they'll be taking apart that and cutting the rest of it. Right now they're taking apart sway bar linkage.
Yeah, doing all the nuts and bolts.
You see what it is that they're working on. Yeah, that's what happens when you touch a bolt that was almost seized up on there. That shit hot. But yeah, we get a little bit more done, y'all, and I'm gonna bring you back. Okay? Sorry for the shakiness. Trying to get shit done around the shop. Alright, what's going on, you guys? Day 2 of doing this lift kit. Alright, the reason why he stopped doing it yesterday is there's a few things that's wrong with the vehicle. It needs upper and lower ball joints pretty badly. Boots busted on this one, and also the mounts for the strut. This is the one that he was able to get out, and it's pretty rusted up and nasty looking, and he doesn't know if he could be able to get it separate apart, put it onto the new strut that comes with it that's extended out. Also the hub bearings and the old knuckles, I think he said he's having an issue get out. He's been having them soak overnight, so we might wind up having to get new hub bearings for this thing as well. Anything else that you said that was wrong with this thing, Dad? Why it is you can't put it back together yet?
Because one of the nuts is rusted and rounded out on the driver's side, so we can't get the strut mount assembly out.
So there's a rusted up nut on the driver's side, correct?
Yeah, it's on the inside.
It's on the inside. It's on the inside, on the back side. Let me turn the... There you go.
The one that's got a nut on it still.
That one back there is rounded. Okay, yeah, I see it. It's rounded off. It's rusted to it, so that would be the reason why that one's not out yet. And once again, like I said, upper ball joints are bad on this thing, and then he said the hubs are rusted inside the spindle, so we're probably gonna have to get hubs for it. But as soon as he gets new parts and starts working on it again, I'll bring it back, you guys. Alright, you guys, so he's got the cross member back in there now to drop it down. This is what it looks like. Got one in the back. You have to cut out a portion of it right there. You see where you gotta cut it out? This just drops down the lower control arms and the front diff. And then you have a block right here for the new bump stop that goes onto the lower control arm with a new ball joint and everything else. Here's your front. It's got a nice little Rough Country logo cut into it. Turn the flash on. So you can see. Nice little cut in there. Looks good. Oh, I'm tired. I want to go home. He's almost done with it, you guys. So I'll bring you back when we get one more done. Alright, you guys, so it's Monday. We had a long weekend, short weekend kind of. I didn't work on a Blazer any at all this weekend, so But hopefully by the time this video goes out, I will have done something to the Blazer. Now the other side's already put together, so I'm going to show you on this side. I can't really film him because I got a job I'm doing. I got to do alignment, plugs, wires, coil, and EGR on this 2008 Mountaineer. I might put that into another vlog, I don't know. It really all depends on my mood right now. It's been pretty hectic here the past few days. Alright, but all he's got left to do on this side is to install the strut and the actual knuckle itself. I'll show you on the other side what that looks like. Try not to give you a sneak peek of the actual lift kit. Save that for the end. Okay, so if you see here, this right here is the actual strut itself. It's an extended strut. It goes down to the lower control arm, and then it has the new bigger knuckle, or spindle if you want to call it, which is right here, which is what the hub bearing and a CV axle attaches to, as well as your pads and your rotors on the inside. And then you got a new wheel that's on there as well. So he's going to go ahead and install the other side, and then as soon as he gets done with the install on the other side, we're going to pull it out, take a little bit of shots for you guys so that y'all get a nice little cinematic type thing for the end. And we're going to leave it there at that, you guys. But I'm going to get back to work. He's going to get back to work. See you when it's done. All put together, tighten up the bolts and everything on it before my dad does the alignment on it. Like I said, I'll show you what this side looks like because he already had that side part together. Right here's the knuckle, the new knuckle for the system. Got the hub bearing, brake, rotors, caliper, all that's on there. CV axle through the center, new CV boot, bump stop on there. Lower control arms go onto this portion of the bracket, which lowers down from the stock section. This lowers down the differential on it. Comes with a nice little skid plate on it. Now you can see the new mounting areas, mounting brackets. There's a new front piece for it right there. Everything's all together, everything's good. More brackets. Yep, you go ahead, come down. They're going to come down, put a new tire on it, and then they're going to go ahead and get the alignment done on there. I'm going to try not to show you what it looks like yet.
27 hard, bitch.
Alright guys, so 3 days later, and we're finally done with the lift kit. I didn't record while I was at the shop because I had a alignment that I had to do. You just seen the nice little cinematic beauty shots that Turbo was able to put together. Yeah, hopefully he did a good job on that. Hopefully he did a good job on that Turbo, bruh. Anyways, yeah guys, I'm gonna try and get more recordings done here to you. A lot of the editing stuff has to do with Turbo, not with me. Working on his schedule. The Twitch channel is going to be going live again probably this weekend, or hopefully it's already live by the time this video comes out. More likely by the time this video comes out, it's already live again. I got a new mic coming hopefully here soon for the audio on the videos. Try and make quality a little bit better for you guys. I'm starting to do a little bit more facial videos with y'all guys, you know, show my face more. That way y'all can get to see me. We're going to be doing a build with Envious here soon, so you're going to start seeing Envious again on the channel. I know it's been a few months since y'all seen her. I got a lot going on right now, which is why I haven't been doing anything with her. But hopefully I can get her going again for you guys. We're going to finish stripping her out and getting her going, so you'll see that video. Hopefully it'll be after this one. So next shop vlog after this one will be an Envious build. So we're going to be working on Project Envious and getting her going and getting her ready to go. Talked to a few guys about getting some of their cars worked on so that y'all can get more videos focused on just one vehicle instead of me working on 5 or 6 different vehicles throughout the week. Like I said, it's the slow time of the year, you guys, so there's not going to be a lot of work for me to do. But I'm going to try and get videos out to you guys as I can. And, you know, if I have to take 1 or 2 weeks to get a video out, I'm sorry. You know, I'm busy, Turbo's busy. There's not a lot that we can really do until next summer. When next summer comes around, the school lets out, then I can push videos out to you guys like non-stop. I already talked to Turbo about it. Hopefully, you know, he's good with that. Bruh, hopefully you're good with that. Bruh. Anyways, that's going to be it for me, guys. I'm going to head to bed. I'm tired. It's been a long day. But I got work tomorrow. So, peace. Don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, hit that notification bell. Also, remember, we got Discord in the description down below. Please, God, people, read description. Yeah, you guys, that's going to be it for me. Don't forget, if you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you've already been here, don't forget to like the video, comment, do whatever you guys want. Join the Discord, go follow us on Twitch. We're going to be doing a lot more gaming over there on Twitch. We actually have a schedule for that, unlike the YouTube channel where we don't have a schedule, except for Sunday to Sunday. But that's a video sent in by you guys. But that's going to be it. Peace.
Dreaming.